Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James, how are you today? In this video, we would like to share how to remove the factory radio from the SUZUKI SWIFT generation 2000. Actually, it is end of 2011 until 2017. So this one, to remove it, is pretty simple. You can see it should look like this or similar like this. And we need the two. One is okay, but two is a better idea. Plastic to remove two, and then you need one screwdriver. And now start with. At first, you will see the edge over here is very slim and almost non-existent over there. So what you need to do is you slide one of the trim removal tool on the side first. Don't slide at the edge here. You just slide on the side first here. So it actually will create an edge over here, the gap, and then it will open like a very 1 millimeter gap over here, and that's enough. You actually start sliding the second one in at the same time the other one still stay on the side. So this one will slide in and open the bottom edge, and it actually will crack open bottom from here to here. So you do the same thing for the left and the right. Put one in first on the side, and then the second one slide at the bottom and push it up, and it goes up. The front will lift up a little bit like this. More of the plastic clip will stay at the along the side here and along the side here. So what you do is slide the plastic remover tool, slide it in and gently push up along one side, and do the same on the other side. Then this cover will actually fully pop up easy, because it's just some clip at the bottom. You can see that the kind of pinky slip over there, clip over there. Remember to remove that emergency button connector over here, which is the white one. That's a bit tricky. You actually need to get the little screwdriver to press on the middle top of that connector, to press it down and then slide that out, and it will come out easily. Okay, so from here, and now if you look down here, you will find one screw over here and one screw over there, which we already removed. And after that, you remove this and that two screw. You hold your hand on the top here and here, and then you pull out. Okay, then you actually can hold at the bottom one hand, top one hand, and pull both of them out, and this one will come out. Not come full all the way out, because it has all the connector at the back that you need to remove and disconnect. So likely you have one screw wire on the side here that need to unscrew, and then you have some of the cable connector at the back, which you can see that it has a bunch of cable here, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 of them, okay, 5 of the connector, and that's how it looks at the back. So that's exactly what we do and remove it. It is pretty simple and easy. Okay, so SUZUKI SWIFT 2011-2017 generation, and we are doing the 9-inch upgrade for this car. So feel free to keep watching another video coming up soon in our channel, and thanks again for watching. Please click the subscribe button if you like our videos. We appreciate that, and we'll bring more and more to the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.